In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off vacation mode on Etsy. If you've had your shop paused and you're ready to start accepting orders again, this walkthrough will take you from the home page to a fully reopened shop in just a few moments, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open a new browser window and search for Etsy. In the results, click the official Etsy website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the secure padlock and the Etsy.com domain. Once the home page loads, sign in to your seller account. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt as usual. After you're logged in, you should see or be able to open your shop manager. That's where the controls for your shop settings live. On the left-hand sidebar, inside Shop Manager, look for Settings and click it. This sidebar is your control panel, and the settings area is where Etsy groups all shop-level preferences. When the settings menu expands, choose Options from the drop-down. Depending on your layout or region, Etsy may label things slightly differently, but Options is the section that contains the vacation controls. Next, navigate to the tab labeled Vacation Mode or sometimes Holiday Mode. Etsy uses these names interchangeably, but they mean the same thing. When it's on, your shop is temporarily closed to new orders, and your listings are hidden from shoppers. Open that tab to reveal the controls. Here, change the selection from On to Off. Turning it off reopens your storefront so your listings can appear in search again and customers can add items to their carts. Before you move on, take a quick moment to read any notes on the page. Etsy may display a short description reminding you what vacation mode affects, such as your shop's visibility and message auto-replies. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply your changes. Look for a confirmation message or banner that indicates your settings were saved successfully. If you don't see a confirmation right away, give the page a second to refresh. A quick manual refresh can also help you see the updated status. A couple of final tips as you reopen. It can take a short time for your listings to fully reappear in search results, so don't worry if visibility isn't instant. Also, consider double-checking your processing times, shipping profiles, and any temporary shop announcements you added while on break, so buyers have the most accurate expectations from the moment you're back. And that's it. Your Etsy shop is now out of vacation mode and ready for business.